How to recover Fantasy Premier League account's password. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open any of the browser. I will be opening Google Chrome. Now at the top you can see the search box. Over there type in Fantasy Premier League and search for it. Now click on very first option, Fantasy Premier League, open it. With that, you will be directed to the official site of Fantasy Premier League. Now from here you can easily sign in for your account. As you don't know your password, you can click on this option of forget your password option given over here. Click on it. You will land to this kind of page. Now over here you can find this confirm email address section. Now over here you will need to type in your email address that is linked with your Fantasy Premier League account. After you type in your email address, click on this option of reset my password. Now you will be receiving mail from Fantasy Premier League, so you can open up your mail. You can see that at the top I have received mail from Premier League. You will also receive similar mail. Open that mail and through that mail you will be able to reset your password. Just scroll down, you can find this option of change password. You have to click on that option and you will land to this kind of page. Now from here you can easily set new password for your account. Make sure your password includes 8 characters, mix of upper and lowercase characters, at least one number and at least one special character. After you are done, click on this option, change my password. Password reset complete. With that, your password has been recovered. Now you can open up login page of Fantasy Premier League. Now over here, type in email address and password. And then click on this option of sign in. With that, you will be logged into your Fantasy Premier League account. So this is how you can easily recover your Fantasy Premier League account's password. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.